In this video, let's talk about how to publish your GroovePages site on your own domain. When you finish your GroovePages site, you also have the option to publish it onto your own domain name. To publish your page, go to the top right corner of the page and click on the button labeled Publish. When you click on it, you will be presented with multiple options to publish your page. To publish your site onto your own domain name, select Publish on your domain and enter in your domain name. When you have done so, click on Publish. Cloudflare is an internet service that you can use to protect your website. There are several services available, but the one that we are looking for is the feature that will make our websites secure. The way you know a website is secure is when the URL in the address bar begins with HTTPS as opposed to just HTTP. To make your website URL secure, you can go to cloudflare.com and get started by clicking on the Sign Up button to create your free account. Note that you have two options. One, by clicking up here where it says Sign Up, or you will find another Sign Up button right down here. This will then take you to the Cloudflare sign up page. Note that all fields here are required, including your email address and a password. In addition, your password must contain at least 8 characters, a digit, as well as a special character, such as a question mark, exclamation point, period, or any other special character that you want. When you have done this, click on the Create Account button. Congratulations! You have successfully created your Cloudflare account. In order to publish your GroovePages site onto your own domain name, you will need to add in your domain name into Cloudflare. While inside your Cloudflare account, you will be prompted to add your site, which needs to be your own domain name. This is also the page that you will be redirected to after you have completed your account's creation process. If, for whatever reason, you're inside your Cloudflare account but do not see this page, you can get here by clicking on the button that you see on the top right corner of your screen, labeled Add Site. Once here, to get started, simply enter in your domain name into this field. Note that this needs to be your own domain name that you have registered with a domain registration provider. Once you have entered in your domain name, click on Add Site. You will then be asked to select a plan, which you can learn more about by clicking on Learn More About Our Plans. For now, we're simply going to go with the free plan because that's all we need for the time being. Select Free and click on Confirm Plan. Cloudflare then scans your domain for existing DNS records, which it will then import into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once here, click on the drop-down menu and select CNAME. For name, assuming that you want your GroovePages website to display on the home page of your domain, otherwise known as the root page, enter in the @ symbol. Where it says domain name, enter in host10.groovepages.com. Finally, confirm that your security is enabled for this website by ensuring that TTL is active and that the CNAME record does have its traffic proxied through Cloudflare. When complete, you can now save your new DNS record and click on Continue. You would then see this page where it asks you to select a method for moving your domain name to Cloudflare. The default method means that you would simply change your name servers the regular way, so there's nothing really different, which means that this may be the easier and faster way. For your consideration, there is a second option that allows you to use Cloudflare as your new domain name registration company, which is going to require you to transfer your domain name from your existing registration over to Cloudflare. To simplify and expedite this process for us, we are simply going to select the default method for now. Once you have done so, You will be redirected to the page with the instructions to change your name servers. Your step 1 may look different depending on which domain registration company you have used to register your domain name. Regardless of which domain name company you have used, the task is the same. You will need to log in to your domain registration account, remove your existing name servers, and replace them with Cloudflare's name servers. To complete your Cloudflare name server setup, you will now need to change the DNS within your domain registration account. If you are using NameCheap, log in to your NameCheap account. You will then see your domains on your dashboard page. To manage your domains, click on the Manage button next to the domain name that you would like to manage. You will then be taken to the management page for that particular domain name. Find where it says Name Servers, and next to it, click on the drop-down menu. Then select Custom DNS. Once you click on Custom DNS, you now have the option to add in your own name servers. This is when you would now go back to Cloudflare, find the name servers that were provided to you, copy them, go back to NameCheap, and paste in the first name server. Repeat the process for the second one. Copy, go back to NameCheap, go to the second name server, and click on Paste. Once you're done, go ahead and click on this green check mark to save. The 2 remaining ones you can delete. When you are done, click on the Save button. When you have done this, click on Done, check Name Servers. On the next page, this is the security option that we are looking for. By default, up top, you will see that your SSL/TLS encryption mode should be set to full. Make sure it remains at full, or if not, check on the radio button that says full. Next, for always use HTTPS, you will want to toggle the switch to turn it on. As for everything else on this page, you can simply leave them as they are and click on Done. Congratulations! Your domain setup for GroovePages is complete, and you should be able to publish your site on your own domain name. However, keep in mind that name server transfers can take up to 24 or 48 hours, maybe even longer. Please be patient while your DNS propagates. Refer back to our help desk and tutorials if you have any problems, or contact our support team directly if you have specific questions.